Sell your home fast. Selling your home in California has never been easier, thanks to Nanda Realty. We understand that the traditional home selling process can be daunting, with unexpected fees and time-consuming repairs. That's why we offer a straightforward, all-cash buying service that eliminates these hassles. You can sell your home as is, without the need for costly renovations or improvements. At Nanda Realty, transparency is our priority, which is why there are no hidden fees involved. Unlike traditional real estate transactions, we don't charge agent fees, ensuring that you get the most value out of your home sale. Our goal is to make the selling process as smooth and stress-free as possible for California homeowners. One of the standout features of our service is the speed at which we can close deals. With Nanda Realty, you can finalize the sale of your home in as little as 10 days. This rapid turnaround means you can move on to your next chapter without the lingering uncertainty and waiting that typically accompanies property sales. If you're a California homeowner looking to sell quickly and efficiently, Nanda Realty is here to help. With our no-fuss, all-cash offers and no additional fees, you can confidently sell your home knowing you're in good hands. For more information, call 61980 Nanda or visit nandarealty.com today.